Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my TPT Social Media Marketing Action Plan. So, why do we need to make an action plan? So, I have three main points. That is the reason why I created this action plan. Number one, it takes the choice out of making a decision. So I made a decision that this is what I'm going to do, but by following this action plan, I have a step by step guide on what I need to do in order to create my social media posts for 1 month. The second reason is you are more productive with your time. By knowing what you need to create, you can go in and quickly create these items so you're not spending so much time. Now, within graphic design, preparation is half the battle. If you are prepared and you know what you need to make, what assets you have to gather in order to create these designs, you will literally create designs more quickly. And that is what we're going to be learning about in the next video is I'm going to be showing you actually how to make these posts. And they don't take horribly long to make. I honestly think that they take longer to export than they actually take to make. And number 3 is that you are more intentional with what you create. So by creating an action plan, you will find out what month you are going to want to create your posts for, what products you want to feature, how many posts you need total, and then how many posts you need of each product that you're going to make. So, by being more intentional with what you create, it's going to really help the whole process in general because you're going to be more organized and your content is going to come together quicker than what you realize. Now, personally, I have created a social media plan. And if you check in the description below, there is a link. You can download it. It is completely free. And hopefully, this will help you. So, for the month of July, I'm going to be starting my Pinterest. I want to make sure I have plenty of time to create these posts and that they get circulated throughout the month so that they kind of get out there and maybe help the algorithm. I'm still learning about this stuff, but this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start with Pinterest. That is my main source of traffic I'm hopefully going to gather. I like to do video pins, so I'm going to do that, but I'm going to also post to TikTok and YouTube Shorts just because they're the same format. It's not going to take me much longer to upload to YouTube Shorts, and everything else will be done in that. Metricool. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but that is the platform that I'm going to be using. It is free up to 50 posts per month. So I have a good idea of the platform that I'm going to be using. And then I really thought about the products I wanted to feature. So I wanted to do obviously back to school products. And I have kind of 8 main products that I want to start marketing. And I put those in my notes page so I can visually see what they are. And then I know that I need 31 posts total. So basically, within that, what it will be is it'll be 3 to 4 posts for each product. So if you think about that and breaking it down, I only need to create like 3 back to school activities posts. And by batching this, it is going to go quicker. So by writing out kind of all of my products that I want to feature, I can go in, create them, at the same time, 3 back to school activities because I want them to look, the pins to look different and the videos to look different. So I will do those 3 and then I will export them. Next 3, export them. So this process did take me a little bit of time to really look at my TPT shop and how I was going to pick products to feature. I am going to be doing classroom decor because I feel like in July, teachers might start thinking about how they're going to set up They're classrooms, so I might do a couple of those, but mainly I am focusing on my back to school activities. And then I will continue to do this for each month. My whole goal is to be ahead on my social media marketing, so I'm not at the last minute trying to create all these pins and getting behind on everything. So this is my social media marketing action plan. Now, next time we are going to be have a video on how I create my social media video posts in Canva. Very easy. And in between this video and the next one that you're going to see, you should definitely check out the video where I show you how to make video previews, because that is what I'm going to be utilizing when I make my posts. So hopefully this is helpful. If you have the time, go make the video previews for your products. I also have another video on how to make your custom thumbnails and then how to turn those thumbnails into the videos. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, do all those wonderful things that help the algorithm. I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, followers, whatever you want to call them, by the end of the year. Please help me get my goal. That would be so much fun. But I hope that this helps you. Leave a comment below on what platform you're going to be using. I'm really interested to know which one you're going to pick and if you had any experience with them. I will see you next time.